Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix failed to uninstall Windows Update KB5063878 on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to uninstall your Windows Update KB5063878 on your Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just click on this search, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, then select as category. Here you will find uninstall a program. Click on that. In left side you will find turn Windows feature on or off. You have to just click on this. I will maximize this screen. In this, you need to find Windows Sandbox. If it is check mark, you have to just uncheck it, then click on OK, then close this window. After that, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Windows Update, click on Update History. Here you will find Uninstall Update. Here you will find KB5063878. You can find here. This is my another version. Here you will find KB5063878. After seeing that Windows Update file, just click on Uninstall. Then your update will be uninstalled and it will ask to restart your PC. After restarting, again you have to click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Windows Update, then pause your Windows Update. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix or you can uninstall Windows Update KB5063878 file on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.